In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do using Zapier. If you use Google Tasks for quick task capture but rely on Microsoft To Do for your day-to-day planning, integrating the two can save you a lot of time. This setup will ensure your tasks stay in sync across both platforms without any manual copying. Let's get started. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and helps you automate repetitive steps in your workflow. Once you're on the website, look toward the top of the page and click Create. This is where you begin building a new automation, also known as a Zap after clicking Create. Select the option labeled Zaps. This will take you into the Zap editor, the place where you set up the full automation inside the Copilot message box. Type Connect Google Tasks and Microsoft To Do. Zapier will instantly generate helpful suggestions to speed things up. When you see the option to add all steps to Zap, click it. Zapier will automatically build the basic structure needed for the integration. Now it's time to set your trigger event. The trigger is what starts your automation. In this case, you'll choose Google Tasks and select a trigger such as a new task being created. This tells Zapier to watch for new tasks inside your Google account. When prompted, sign into your Google account to give Zapier permission to access your tasks. Once connected, click Test so Zapier can confirm that everything is working correctly. With the trigger set up, move on to the action step. Here, you'll select Microsoft To Do. Zapier will ask what you want it to do whenever a new Google task is created. Choose the option to create a task in Microsoft. To do this, ensures that every time you add something in Google Tasks, a matching task appears in Microsoft To Do automatically. Next, sign into your Microsoft account when prompted. This authorization allows Zapier to add tasks on your behalf. After signing in, fill in the required fields such as the task name, due date, or notes. These fields help you control exactly how your new task will appear inside Microsoft To Do. When everything looks correct, click Test again to make sure Zapier can send data successfully. Once both sides are verified, your integration is almost ready. The last step is to activate it. Click Publish to turn your Zap on. From this moment forward, Zapier will automatically sync your tasks from Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do without you needing to lift a finger. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do using Zapier. This automation helps keep your to-do lists aligned, reduces manual updates, and makes your productivity system run much more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.